Hey, I'm back with another easy recipe. So right here I have some orange and red bell peppers that I'm going to chop up. I also have some portobello mushrooms that I'm going to slice, and I have a little garlic. What do you think I'm going to use these items for? Okay, so let's go ahead and make some fajita. What I have here is my marinated chicken breast. I have some peppers right here, some tomatoes and red onions. Also have some sliced up mushrooms. I have some chicken seasoning, and some onion powder. I have 3 cloves of garlic, some olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and heat this pan. I'm going to heat it on medium. So I do have my chicken breast marinated right here. All right, and I'm going to add some seasoning to this. Pour some of that marinade off. So it has been marinating. I am going to use a seasoning packet, fajita seasoning packet, and I'm going to sprinkle that over my fajita. Sprinkle that over the chicken. And I'm still going to go ahead and add my onion powder. And the chicken seasoning. Give it a little kick. Okay, pour a little olive oil in my pan. Turn this down a little low. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and take my hand and mix this up. Pan not quite ready. Turn it up a little bit. So this is going to be some chicken fajita. And let that pan nice and hot. And change my gloves. Okay, so the chicken is cooking very nicely. Just easy cooking. And you want to get it just right. In another pan, I'm going to go ahead and saute up the vegetables. Okay, so this chicken is done. You see that nice gravy. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to go ahead and saute up the vegetables. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little peppers. Some onions and tomatoes. I'm gonna put some mushrooms. Some garlic. And some black pepper. I'm gonna put a little seasoning, garlic powder. Onion powder. And some chicken seasoning. Okay, so my vegetables are all sauteed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and add it in with the chicken. Okay, and you just mix it up. And you have some chicken stir fry. Or chicken fajita. Okay, so here is the finished product. I added a little broccoli to the meal. The chicken fajita. Alright, and if you all like this video, please like, follow, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.